Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. At the outset, I would like to thank Gayatri Fine Arts for inviting me to do this demonstration as a part of the Guru Vandanam series. I would like to salute my gurus and dedicate this to Vidwan Chitravina Narsimhan, Pallavi Chakravarti, and Vidwan Kalkata Krishnamurti sir, whose centenary year celebrations are happening this year. I've been asked to speak about some of the aspects of Pallavi. The Pallavi itself, as a concept in Carnatic music, has evolved over several years now. And during this entire process, we are still exploring various possibilities of creativity and challenging ourselves and acquiring more and more through the experiences of hearing great masters render various Pallavis and hearing stories of Mahavidwans of the past who have contributed immensely to what makes Pallavi a very, very interesting and exciting aspect of Carnatic music. A musician's complete Vidvat is challenged. At the same time, it also will highlight how much you have learnt music in terms of acquiring from the creations of the various compositions also by the great masters. The art of Pallavi singing, first of all, will have to go back to the evolution and the history. Pallavi, the terminology first means Padam, Layam, Vinyasam. Pallavi. Padalaya Vinyasam. So this is commonly understood as a terminology. Going to the history, we can say the Pallavi singing or the evolution of Pallavi could be traced back to the Thaya Prabandhas. Of course, Pallavi is, when you talk about Pallavi, we can't omit talking about Ragam and Tanam. It's together called as Ragam, Tanam, Pallavi. And in that process, you have several evolutions. Today, I'm going to restrict myself to only talking more about the Pallavi and its various elements, mainly how to structure a Pallavi. So, as I said, the history goes back to the Thaya Prabandhas. And when we talk about the Ragas, in detail, we can trace in Raga Prakarana of Chaturdandi Prakashika by Venkatamakhin, where he has spoken of 4 different stages of how to develop a Ragam. Of course, Pallavi singing itself, first of all, you have to have a structure of a Pallavi, and I will explain how it is constructed, and I will demonstrate a few Pallavis. Of course, once you take up the Pallavi, we'll have to, first you do the Ragam, then you do the Tanam. Tanam is also called as Ghanam. And then we have the Pallavi. The Pallavi we do the structure which we call as Ase. That is rendered a couple of times by the main performer, and then the accompanists join in, and then we do the Neraval, which is the Vinyasam part. Mainly, if we take back the olden days, simple Pallavis were only taken for more of Vinyasam, Neravals. They were called as Ethikada Pallavis. Then later on, we have multiple ways, multiple themes that are being explored. I mean, we also we have heard stories of great masters like Shyama Shastri, the great composer, was challenged by a Vidwan of his times, Babali Keshavaya, and it was almost like a state honor for him to come up with an answer for Babali Keshavaya's Pallavi expertise. So Shyama Shastri, it said, prayed to Devi, of course created the composition in Chintamani, Devi Brova Samayamide, and after that, Shyama Shastri is also an Layam exponent, and he apparently composed in the second longest Thalam, which has 79 counts, Sharabanandana Thalam. And these are stories. We also heard several masters who are given title called Pallavi. So that was given as a title itself for Vidwans. And those who are exponents of Tanam were given title of Ghanam. So these were the times when Pallavi, art of Pallavi singing, even in courts, was more like a challenge. And the artists had to do that. Today, several artists are trying various things, exploring various possibilities, various themes. And is there any limit for our creativity? Not really. Pallavi is one area where your creativity, you can expand continuously. It's an art that one can pursue, enjoy yourself, and seek more. So that is the importance of this entire idea. Now, a structure of a Pallavi has two parts. I'm not going to be explaining about the Ragam and Tanam for this demonstration. I will restrict it to only Pallavi. Of course, you do the structure which I said is the As. Then I said you do Neraval. Then we have multi-speeds in Pallavis. Then we move on to the Kalpanaswarams and sometimes the Ragamalika. Now, of all this, how do we structure a Pallavi? What is important and the difference between a Pallavi and a Kriti? Pallavi is supposed to have two parts. Part 1 or A is called as the Purvanga. Part 2 or B is called as the Uttaranga. And the most important thing in the Pallavi is the landing portion, which is called the Aridi. So after the Purvanga, you have this Aridi, which is the landing part, which has to be after the completion of the Anga or the part of the Talam, not before or after. It has to exactly fall in place at the end of the particular Anga and the Talam. Say suppose you have Adi Talam, it's after the Laghu, before the Dritams begin. And then you have the Uttaranga. Before the Uttaranga, the Aridi is having also a Karvai. Karvai is sustaining. You sustain on the Aridi, which is called the Aridi Karvai. This is very important because then it goes to the Uttaranga or the second part. Then the Edipu. Edipu is the Graham or the start point of the Pallavi. In Pallavi, the Aridi is Pradhanyam or primary, and the Edipu is important but not as important as just the Aridhi. So the Aridhi is first, the landing part. When you used to do multi-speeds earlier, it was Aridhi Pradhanyam. Today we are also giving more importance to Edipu or Griham. And everything has become from the Edipu. All the multi-speeds, we don't maintain the Aridhi, though we maintain the Aridhi Karvai or the sustenance. So, but in past, you had for multi-speeds, the landing part of the multi-speeds was Aridhi Pradhanyam. The multi-speeds are, I'm not going to go to details, but I'll just tell you that it has something called Anulomam, Vilomam, Pratilomam. So 3 speeds from the lowest speed to the, if you have 4 kalai, then you have, next speed of that, first, second and third. Then Vilomam is the reverse of that. Pratilomam, a lot of people confuse the Pratilomam and the Vilomam. Pratilomam is here in the Anulomam and Vilomam, the Talam speed is constant, only the singing speed goes from degree 1, 2, 3 and comes back in the reverse order. But whereas in Pratilomam, it is the Talam speed is 3 folds. It is increased where the singing speed is constant. For now, I'm going to only explain so much about this. And then, of course, you can do Tisram and all the other differences. Multiple themes, when I said in Pallavi, can be taken. You can either take, various themes based on talams, nadais, or kalais. Kalais are branches within a talam. So you can have 1 kalai, 2 kalai, 3 kalai if it is Tisram slow speed, 4 kalais, and then 8. So you can do any number of kalais or branches, or you can even vary the branches based on your creativity and your skills. Then you have the gatis, which is like, there is a difference between nadai and gati. Nadai is, which I say, but it's interpretative. Some people say it's the same, but nadai is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same time unit. You can say 3, 4 or 7, 9, 5, whatever. Based on that, you have Chaturashram, Tishram, Mishram, Khandanadai, Sankirnanadai. Now, the other component is the gati. What happens in the gati? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a nadai. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, subunits within the nadai is 3. So, the gate is 3. So, gate, if you interchange it, so you still get gati. Okay, gate, gati. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is something that we understand. Keeping these in mind, let us see various types of Pallavis. We are going to do Guru Vandanam, a Pallavi. In the Shlokam, I'm going to take the Shlokam Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So this being the Guru Vandanam, let me start with this. It's in Misra Nadai, Khanda Jati Triputatalam. Khanda Jati Triputatalam is Purvangam is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Uttarangam 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 counts. 9 times 7. Misram. So 63 is the total counts. We're taking Revati Ragam. The Pallavi is after 6. Gurur Brahma गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः. So this is a very simple Pallavi. In Misra Nadai, we can actually call the difference between Nadai and Jati also. When I'm putting as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, terminology wise, it's better to call it as Jati instead of Nadai. Only if I put it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 within each, then it would qualify more appropriately as Nadai. Next, we will also do another Guru Vandanam in Chaturashra Jampa from the very famous song of Oothukadu Venkata Kavi. So we first did a Shlokam converted to a Pallavi. Now we will try doing a Kriti. Enna Punyam Shaidenu Sadguru Natha in Riti Gaula. So I have not changed much from the basic structure. Enna Punyam Shaidenu Sadguru Natha Enna Punyam Shaidenu Sadguru Natha Enna Punyam Shaidenu. So in this, if you notice, we can see that the start point is after 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 kalais this is. 1, 2, 3. Enna Punyam Shaidenu. That no is called the Aridhi. And that is 5 counts. No, no. Sadguru Natha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sadguru Natha. Sadguru Natha is the Uttaranga. Enna Punyam Shaidenu is the Purvanga. So, while constructing a Pallavi, it's most important for us to understand the spacing of every syllable. You should not pack too many words within the Purvangam and Uttarangam. Should be comfortably spaced, only then it will be suitable for Neraval, which is the Vinyasam. The other important thing is the multi-speeds you have to keep in mind and then create the Pallavi. The most important thing about also the structure of a Pallavi, if you are not able to compose your own words, some may not, most of us may not be able to do it with our own words. That is when your knowledge of the compositions come into play. So these are beautiful words on Guru itself, Guru Mahima, by Oothukadu Venkata Kavi. So you can easily pick from that. Even the ragam we don't have to change. It will connect with the audience better. And this is called a Kriti converted into a Pallavi. Kriti Pallavi. We can even start off from Geetams. So your known Geetam itself you can take Lambodara Lakumikara, Amba Sutta Amara Vinuta. There are many great artists who have done it in different ways. Now I explained to you the difference between the Nadai and Gati. So let us try this Pallavi in completely Chaturashra Tishram. This is in Khandajati Tripudatalam. Usually in Pallavis, if you say Khandajati Tripudatalam is a very, very popular talam. Like in compositions, mostly we stick to Adi Talam. In Pallavis, we tried various talams. That is another way that one can do it. But predominantly, a lot of artists will be taking Kandajati Tripura Talam as a very common talam. And it is set in completely Chaturashrutisharam. The Pallavi starts after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. If you take two speeds. Chaturashrutisharam, it's better to understand as 10. Because you're going to do as threes. Lambo derele kumikara amba sute amara vinota lambo derele kumikara amba sute amara vinota lambo derele kumikara. So this is a very easy known words from the Geetam. But what is interesting is the entire structure is slightly complicated only because it's Chaturashrutisharam. And what am I trying to do? Lam taka tam tam. So everything is going as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But I'm giving all the 1, 2, 3s as only carways. Lambo derele kumikara amba sute amara vinota lambo derele kumikara amba sute amara vinota lambo. So you can do all that multi-speeds and try various aspects to make it more interesting. We can also take a Varnam. So while you are thinking of all this creativity, while I told you about the Geetam, you can do Ragamalikas in all the known Geetams or Ragams from the known Geetams. Like for instance, Malahari, if you're doing, you can take Shuddha Saveri, Mohanam. So all the known Ragams where you have Geetams, you can take it. It will make it more interesting. Similarly, when you're thinking of Varnam and converting that into a format of a Pallavi, you have to think of a nice, interesting Varnam and also try to see how it fits in. Padasaroja mula namiti padmanabha murare padasaroja mula namiti padmanabha murare padam saroja mula namiti. So you can do like this. It's a Kandajati Tripura Talam again. And what is interesting is it's from the Navaraga Malika, right? So you can do Raga Malika on all the Ragams in the Varnam. That will make it interesting for the listener. So we'll have to improvise based on how we understand these compositions. So that is why I said the knowledge of the composition is so important for you to thematically improvise and make the Pallavi interesting for the listener. And also, it will be a good challenge for yourself also. From Varnam and Geetam, we already did one Kriti example. You can do many Kritis. You can try almost so many Kritis of your choice. But while you're structuring, you will have to make it interesting for yourself, challenging, and also little different from just taking the composition and fitting it in. So we're taking Maya Malogola, a famous song of the Tanjore Quartet, Punniya, Maya Tita Swarupini. Maya Tita Swarupini Nannu Brova Maya Tita Swarupini Nannu Brova So this is a Odikal Pallavi. Though it will sound like something happening, it is actually only Chaturashram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is not a, this is a odd start. So you are starting from 1/8 of the second count. After 9 from the samam. Takadimi, takadimi. Maya Tita Swarupini. So you have 3 5s fitting in to structure the Aridi. So, but when you hear it without, if I don't sing the explanation, then it will be different. Maya Tita Swarupini. So if you sing like that, to even figure out what it is will take a little while. But if I sing Maya Tita Swarupini, so but till you perfect it, you will have to get this. The Karve also is odd. Takadimi, takadimi, takita. So there also you are having an 11 Karve, which is rare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nannu Brova Maya Tita Swarupini. All that improvisation. Once you do the As or the structure, you can improvise on various beautification and aesthetics of the Pallavi itself. You should not make the Pallavi sound complex for the listener. The structure, when it gets more and more complicated, you should try to make it more and more aesthetic. From Kritis, you can also move on to improvising a little bit. Suppose you are singing for December season and you want to do it's Margari basically, right? So we all know the Tirupavai and the importance of Tirupavai in Margari. Clubbing it with that and the music season. I created a simple Pallavi, which is a Dviraga Pallavi, 2 ragams. So that's another theme. 2 ragams or multiple ragams, one can sing a Pallavi itself. And then while doing Raga Malika, you can take all the ragams of the Tirupavai and sing it. This is a combination of Hamir Kalyani and Kuntalavarali. Margari Tingal Kudi Padim Magirave Kodaya Puganilekave Margari Tingal Kudi Padim Magirave Kodaya Pugan Nilekave Margari Tingal Kudi Padi Magirave Kodaya Pugan Nilekave. So this is one simple Pallavi. You can reverse it and do as Kuntalavarali first and Hamir Kalyani second. Margari Tingal Kudi Padi Magirave Kodaya Pugan Nilekave Margari Tingal Kudi Padi Magirave Kodaya Pugan
நிலைக்கவே மார்கழி திங்கள் கூடி பாடி மகிழவே கோதைய புகழ் நிலைக்கவே மார்கழி திங்கள் கூடி பாடி மகிழவே.
So you can interchange and play with the two ragams to make it another interesting and challenging thing. Even ragam, alapanai, everything you can do both the ragams. You can take some ragams for Tanam, some for Kalpanaswaram, some for Neravel, to cover all the 30 ragams in the Tiruppavi. Another beautiful aspect of Pallavi is you incorporating the Raga Mudra into the Pallavi. The composers have already shown it as to how to do it in Kritis. So how do we incorporate that beauty, another beautiful aspect of Carnatic music, into a structure of a Pallavi? Kandajati Tribhudathalam, it's after 5 counts.
Bhairavi Bhargavi Shankari Trilokarakshage Daya Sindhavi Bhairavi Bhargavi Shankari Trilokarakshage Daya Sindhu Bhairavi.
You can do also that, or Sindhavi. Sindhavi is meaning wise better, so it will be subtle, but Sindhu Bhairavi you want to do, you can do that. You can always, for this you can use all the Bhairavi oriented ragams like Ananda Bhairavi, different Bhairavis, and do your Kalpanaswarams. In Pallavis, while we are talking about different themes, you can add humor, patriotic, or even general themes. So at one point of time in an interview, I was challenged to do a Pallavi about the elections, American elections, when I was there in USA. Of course, you can do in multiple languages. I've done Pallavis in English, French when I was in France. So you can include various languages, various themes, as I told you, general themes, themes on different deities, themes for different occasions, and so on. Now this is for the presidential election in America that I had composed. So I chose Desh as the ragam.
Amariga Desha Rashtrapati Sthabana Loka Janahida Karaga Amariga Desha Rashtrapati Sthabana.
Very simple, easy Pallavi. Similarly, when I'd been to Grand Canyon, I composed, seeing the beauty of that place, multiple Pallavis. Very interestingly, in Grand Canyon, you see the Shiva point, Vishnu point, and the Brahma point. So I composed on all of that. I'll just sing one from the Shiva point. So in Bilahari, a simple Pallavi on Grand Canyon, Khandajati Tribhudathalam, starts after 2.
Prabho Vibho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Grand Canyon Mahameru Prabho Vibho Shiva Shambho Swayambho Grand Canyon Mahameru Prabho Vibho Shiva Shambho Swayambho.
So in Khandajati Tribhudathalam, when it's very common, what else can we do? So the number 72 itself is very interesting. So we can do multiple things. But before that, another composition to make it more thematic. If you want to do 72 Melakarta Ragamalika, we can take from the composition Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare. Starts with Sri Ragam, so I have taken it from Sri Ragam itself. So it's in Kandajati Triputatalam. It's after the first beat. 1, 2.
Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare Mela Ragamalika Karaka Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare Mela Ragamalika Karaka Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare.
So this is the common Kandajati Triputatalam. So when you are wanting to do it in a simple way, you can do it like this. Now you can also try the same thing as the first part as Khandam, second part as Chaturashram. How do you do that?
Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare Mela Ragamalika Karaka Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare Mela Ragamalika Karaka.
So this is first part as we have made it into Adi Talam because the counts are in Kandajati Triputatalam 5 times 4 is 20. And then you have the Chaturashram part which is 16 in the Dritams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 20. And then you have 16 here. And if you make it 2 kalais, instead of 36, you will have 72. So since the Aksharam total count is 72, we can also try the, as I told you, 72 Melakarta Ragamalika. So if you are doing exclusive Pallavi concert, this will be interesting to do. So you can do it as even Dvinadai.
Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare Mela Ragamalika Karaka Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare Mela Ragamalika Karaka Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare Mela Ragamalika Karaka Pranatarthi Hara Prabho Purare.
So what we did here is 2 nadais when we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should try to keep the talam constant and then change only the speed of singing. So 5 and then 4. Otherwise it will be when I'm doing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will only be Dvijati. So accurately if you want to do Dvinadi, you have to try this. So this is another challenge for an artist to try this. Same 72. Instead of Sri Ragam, you can even take a Melakarta. 72nd Melakarta. That's another theme. So the Rasika Priya is the Ragam itself. Same Kandajati Triputatalam.
Priye Gita Priye Sangita Priye श्रुतिस्वरलयरसिक प्रिये गीत प्रिये संगीत प्रिये श्रुतिस्वरलयरसिक.
So when it came to this, I was thinking how to, all the time we are doing Kandajati Tributadalam, I showed you how you can do Dvinadai or Dvijati, 5 and 4. We can also create our own improvised talams.
प्रिये गीत प्रिये संगीत प्रिये श्रुति स्वर लय रसिक प्रिये गीत प्रिये संगीत प्रिये श्रुति स्वर लय रसिक प्रिये.
So like this. This is another challenge that you can put for yourself. Only thing is you have to have a lot of concentration, focus while doing these kind of thing, and you have to try to practice this a lot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So you have to practice doing this and the reverse. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The same 72, you can also make it as a Sarvanga. Sarvanga is, what are the different types of angas in Carnatic music? So one has to acquire another level of skill to know that. So you have Anudrutam, is just a beat. Dhritam is 1, 2. Then you have Dhrita Viramam, which can be put as Dhritam plus wave upward, or 1, 2, 3, which we call as Dhrita Shekaram, as a short Rupakatalam kind. Laghu 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Guru 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can put either ways. So and then you have Plitam 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 counts. Then you have Kakapadam, which is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all exciting challenges that one musician can try in a lifetime. Not that every concert, normal concert, you have to do all this. Only when there is a thematic program or a demonstration, you can try, or while practicing at home, you can challenge yourself. So this will all make your mental control first, discipline of putting the talam, and also working on the whole singing part. The Pallavi itself starts after the Laghu. So you put the Anudrutam first. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 7 counts.
Priye Gita Priye Sangeeta Priye Shruti Swara Laya Rasika Priye Gita Priye Sangeeta Priye.
So while you're structuring, you have to be careful to make it also the anga should fit in very smoothly and easily. The first part is 43 counts. So since it's 36, we take it after 7. And the speed, you have to know, has to be slow. The talam goes faster. Later, I really also thought of how to make even the talams infinite. Do we need to restrict ourselves? Katapayadi Sutra and the Melakarta Talas inspired me. It's already there. The Katapayadi Sutra, where you can take any name Kanakangi, the entire Kanakangi, depending on the every syllable, you put the number and then work out the angas and then make the talam. So this was a trigger point where I really thought it can inspire one to do on any name. So we are taking something like Gayatri. Now the Katapayadi Sankhya, you'll have to know what it is first. So based on the vowels and the consonants, the Sankhya has been divided. So for any name, it can incorporate it. So a very beautiful creation, used as mnemonics in many aspects. Even the Melakarta names have come like that with the numbers. There you reverse the Sankhya and get the thing. Where the Talam, you go with the every syllable, what is the count, and then create the Angas based on that. Now for Gayatri Fine Arts, I really thought, let's take the word Gayatri, for instance. Ga. So when you are doing the Kadapayadi, the first is Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya. Then you have Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Then you have the third part, which we call as Padi Pancham. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Then you have the fourth part, Yadhyashtam. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sh, Sha, Sa, Ha. Then you have the vowels. For the vowels also we have similarly. A, I, Au is the first part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on all of this, you have 1 to 0 in the first set. Second set also 1 to 0. Third set was only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pa, Pa, Bha, Bha, Ma. Then Yara, Lava, Shasha, Saha. You have 1 to 8. Now for vowels you have A, I, Au. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have E, A. That is again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then U, Ru, Lu, O. This is the next part where you have 1 to 8. Based on this, if you take Gayatri, Ga. Ga is third. Ga plus A. Ga. So A you have to take. So Ga plus A. Ga is the third. Ka, Kha, Ga. So it is the third. And then A is 2. So 5 counts. Then you have Ya. Ya, Ra. So Ya is the first. And then you join the A. So you have 2 counts for that. Gaya 3. 3, what you have to do is a little bit tricky. Th is 6 in the placement. Ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta. Th is 6. So you have 6 over there. Then R is, R is 2. Then you have 3E. So Gayatri, that is another 2. So 6 plus 2 plus 2, that is 10 counts. Totally 17 counts. Now 17 counts, how does it split into a talam? So the first part I told you is 5. So you'll have to take each part. So 5 can be split into a laghu and an anudrutam or a laghu viramam. Then second part is very simple. It's only 2. So you put a dhritam. Then you have 10, which is split into a guru and a dhritam. Guru is 8, dhritam is 2. So just the talam itself will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So the Pallavi starts after 8. That is in the Laghu. So the 17 I have made it every part into 4. So it will become 68 as total matras. 1, 2.
गायत्री महामन्त्रजपं करिष्यामि सर्वरोगनिवारिणि सर्वशक्तिदायिनि सर्वाभीष्टबलप्रदायिनि गायत्री महामन्त्रजपं करिष्यामि सर्वरोगनिवारिणि सर्वशक्तिदायिनि सर्वाभीष्टबलप्रदायिनि.
If you want to make it Sarva Karya Siddhi Pradayini also. So that is something that you can, for the end, you can use however you want. But the main thing is the Ardhi Karva is also 8. The Pallavi start point is also after 8.
गायत्री महामन्त्रजपं करिष्यामि सर्वरोगनिवारिणि सर्वशक्तिदायिनि सर्वाभीष्टबलप्रदायिनि.
So this is a thematic Pallavi in Surya Kantam, which is the 17th Melakarta. The Talam, as I told you, is created for Gayatri Fine Arts. The Pallavi itself is for Gayatri Fine Arts. The Talam is called Gayatri Talam. 17 counts. And so this is a thematic Pallavi which, so for any occasion, you can compose such thematic Pallavis just to suit the occasion. And at the same time, it will be an interesting challenge for you. And when you're having a festival with many artists, it will be unique for you to present something different. The other thing was, while we're talking of the concept of infinity, based on names we did. So we can do it for occasions based on any name. Similarly, you can also do based on date. Any date that you take. During the pandemic, when I composed, it was 16th April 2020. And I composed it for anti-corona. Composed it in Ragam Karnaranjani. The Talam total counts, because it was 16-4, which is 16 plus 4 is 20. Then 20 plus 20 is 40. And then another 20, 20, 20. So you have 60 counts. So the Talam is Karuna Talam, which is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. And then the reverse of that. Again an Mridanga Yeti pattern. But how do we put the Talam? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let us see how the Pallavi goes. Because it's Karuna, I thought I'll take Karna Ranjani. The Pallavi starts in the Samam, and the Ardhi Karve is fully 10.
கருணையை வளர்ப்போம் கரிசனத்துடன் கடவுளை நாடி கரம் கூப்புவோம் கற்பனை கூட்டி கொரோனா கிருமியை நீக்கிடுவோம் கருணையை வளர்ப்போம்.
So it continues like that. So the main thing is, while setting up this, you will have to also make sure that the Talam is easy on you.
கருணையை வளர்ப்போம் கரிசனத்துடன் கடவுளை நாடி கரம் கூப்புவோம் கற்பனை கூட்டி கொரோனா கிருமியை நீக்கிடுவோம்.
So everything is also falling easily in the beat, so that you don't have to struggle to remember the counts. because the talam is already, you'll have to focus. So while you're doing something like this, when the talam is complex, the pallavi structure should be relatively within the parameters for you to handle it. Now this I had composed it then, but today I'm sitting in the recording. Let's see if we can improvise the same pallavi to today's situation. The recording date today is 18th February 2021. So which is 18 plus 2. 20 and 2021 is 41. So 61. So it is just one more count. But unfortunately, 61 is a prime number. So 61 being a prime number, it is not divisible by any other factor mathematically other than 1 and 61. But within music, can we think of some possibility of making a scenario where we can fit it into some talam? So while thinking of this, whether it fits into some nadai, it's not divisible by 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, obviously. So still can we think of something? So I thought of it as 2 parts. First part can be 6 times 6, 36 in Tishram. Second part, balance is 25, 5 times 5. So very beautifully it can align. 6 times 6, 5 times 5. So it's very nice. So total count is 11. So we'll also have to fit it into a talam. So Misra Jati Triputa Talam, you have Tisra Jati Dhruva Talam, you have Sankirna Jati Rupaka Talam. So ideally I thought Misra Jati Triputa Talam because you can keep one aridi.
கருணையை வளர்ப்போம் கரிசனத்துடன் கடவுளை நாடி கரம் கூப்புவோம் கற்பனை கூட்டி கொரோனா கிருமியை நீக்கிடுவோம் கருணையை வளர்ப்போம் கரிசனத்துடன் கடவுளை நாடி கரம் கூப்புவோம்.
So this is the challenge that you can throw to even fit in a prime number into a talam. Musically, the mathematics is very different. So this is a beautiful challenge as per the date to compose this. Only thing is you will have to be very, very alert and improvise. Like this. This is a challenge that you can throw yourself. It will occupy your brain space and test your IQ skills. So we were speaking about the dates and I showed you the Karuna Talam. The recording broadcast date is, they told me, is 23rd of February. So 23 to 2021. So what is the total count? 23 plus 2, 25, 20, 21, 41, 66. So if I challenge myself on that, we could do something like a Pallavi in 66th Melakarta, Chitrambari. The talam that you have to also choose has to go with it, which can be Misra Jati Triputa Talam in Tisra Nadai. So here when you are having, you have 6 counts in each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I wanted to, Tisra Nadai usually we put 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 6, that is easy. So can we do slow speed Tisra Nadai in this? Words can it be in slow speed? And the ragam name, Chitrambari. So you'll have to think of something which will be connected to that also. The old name of Chitrambari was Chaturangini. So I thought I'll take that name. Also it will be a different thing then just telling Chitrambari. 1, 2, 3.
Tarangini antarangini chaturangini bhava geetaraga tala tarangini antarangini chaturangini bhava geetaraga tala tarangini.
So it goes on like that. So it's also yati based, tarangini, antarangini, chaturangini. And then you have chaturangini is 4, right? So 4 types of waves. And then you have bhava is emotion, Gita song, ragam, talam, 4 factorials, emotion, song, melody, and the rhythm is also incorporated. So you'll have to think when you're coming of creative things. This is for today itself, just for 23 to 2021. We tried doing 2 nades. Another thematic you can try is whether you can fit in. I was challenged again this by my guru and father for 55 aksharams. Again, it's divisible by 11. But how do we do it to fit in 3 nades? How would you do 2 ardhis within a pallavi? Attadalam, if you take Khandajati Attadalam, you can get 2 ardhis. And when you're taking a talam like that, how will you fit in? Tisram is first laghu tisram. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then second is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have Khandam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
வேலனே உனது பாதம் துணையே வள்ளி தேவானே மணாளனே சரவண பவனே திருமுருகனே வேலனே உனது பாதம் துணையே.
So the first ardhi is for Chaturashram, which is 5 counts. Second ardhi in Khandam is also 5 counts. I've even kept the ardhi constant. But the pallavi starts in Sama. So if I wanted to do it like a nadai, how do I incorporate it?
வேலனே உனது பாதம் துணையே வள்ளி தேவானே மணாளனே சரவண பவனே திருமுருகனே வேலனே உனது பாதம் துணையே வள்ளி தேவானே மணாளனே சரவண பவனே திருமுருகனே.
So like this. But only thing is the change and transition has to be smooth and easy. So for this you have to practice Varnam itself in this 3 nadais. And that will give you a strong base for you to change all this nadais. Even alankarams you can do. So like that. 3 and 5 is a combination of 8. So again you will get base as 4. So that's interesting. But the division in a Khandajati Attadalam is not same. So for 15, 3 into 5, then 4 into 5, 20, then 5 into 4 is another 20. So you have totally 55 counts. So next, if you are doing a Pancha, we call it Pancha Nadai, but ideally you should call it Pancha Jati. So Tisram, Chaturashram, Mishram, Khandam, Sankirnam. 3, 4, 7, 14 will be there, Purvangam. 5, 9 Uttarangam. That's another 14. So ideally you have to know to balance Purvangam and Uttarangam. Should either be equal or the Purvangam should usually be longer than the Uttarangam.
மால் மருக குகம் சரவண பவம் வடி வேலழக குமர மால் மருக குகம் சரவண பவம் வடி வேலழக குமர மால் மருக குகம் Sharavana Bhava.
So this is a Pancha Jati Pallavi, not Pancha Nadai, as commonly understood. In Pallavis, while we are doing improvised talams, before I started all this, a lot of great artists have tried many different things, which have been the inspiration for all of us to even think what all we can do. So, the legend Dr. Balamurali Krishna had composed in Panchamukhi. He had conceived it as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, the first, all the beats in a cycle of the talam, he had made it as Khandam. And the remaining, he had made it as 2, 2, 2. So in Adi Talam, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. But I thought 5 is fine, but instead of 2, can we also have that fitting into one of the nadais, which is 4. 4. So instead of total being 5 times 2, which is 10, and 3 times 5, which is being 15, 25, I made it 35. This is called Panchamukhi. And I chose the ragam Shulini.
Shulini Kapalini Paripalini Bakamalini Mabahi Trishulini Kabalini Paripalini Bakamalini Mabahi Trishulini Kabalini Paripalini.
So, you can either sing it as from the beat Shulini, Kapalini, or you can take it from the Arati and take it as Trishulini. So, you have potential for doing both.
Trishulini, Kapalini, Paripalini, Bakamalini, Mabahi, Trishulini, Kapalini, Paripalini.
This is Panchamukhi Pallavi. In Talams, in Carnatic music, before all the modern Talams, we had a concept of Marga Talas, which were a set of 5 Talams. Chachat Putta, Chacha Putta, Shatpika Putrika, Sampat Veshtaka, and Udghata. Marga Talams were 1. The Deshi Talams, which include Simanandana Talams and all the other Talams, we are already doing. Today I'll just take up the Marga Talam. So what is very interesting to note is Chachat Puttam had 32 counts. Guru Guru Laghu Plitam. Chacha Puttam had only 24. So that was divided into Guru Laghu, Laghu Guru. So no Plitam. Then you have the third, which is Shatpika Putrikam. That has 48 counts. So it starts with a Plitam, then a Laghu, then a Guru, then another Guru, then another Laghu, then another Plitam. Sampad Veshtakam, which is also another 48 counts, starting with a Plitam followed by 3 Gurus. Guru, 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 and then another Plitam. So 12, 8, 8, 8, and then another 12. And Udghatam is 24 again, only 3 Gurus. So when I was thinking of this, what is the common factorial for all this? 5. So if you think 96 is the common denomination. So 32, 3 times is 96, 48 2 times is 96, 24 4 times is 96. So thinking of this, I thought of a Pallavi. And the words are Panchamukha, Panchanadisha, Paramesha, Marga Tala Pradarshaka Mampahi. So he set it into Ragam, thought of Ragam Kiravani for this. So it starts after in the Plitam, out of 4, it starts after 2. The first Plitam. So let us try this Pallavi. Shatpika Putrikam. So we are starting in the Plitam after 2 counts.
Panchamukhaya Panchanadi Sha Para Me Sha Margam Tala Pradarshaka Mampahi Panchamukhaya Panchanadi Sha Para Me Sha.
So the Aridhi Karva is 9. So it starts after 2 and then goes on. So this is a talam with 48 counts, which you can try as a Marga talam also. So this will fit into all the 5. So obviously if 48 is the largest, then the 24 and others are much simpler. For 32 alone, you'll have to do as 3s. So in Tisram. So this is another Pallavi that historically you can connect to the old talams. While thinking of thematic Pallavis, Guru Brahma I did. So Shlokam itself, whenever you are wanting to connect with the audience, sometimes the known Shlokams can all be converted. When you don't get ideas for words, all these beautiful Shlokams, even if people don't understand the intricacies of Pallavi, they will understand the meaning, particularly when you are in a Vedantic group and you still want to render something useful, you can do this. So I thought of taking the Shlokam, this also being Guru Vandanam. The enlightenment, path of enlightenment is the main purpose of a Guru. So Asato ma Sadgamaya, Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityor ma Amritam Gamaya. So the Guru actually gives us the enlightenment. So I thought of Jyoti Swarupini as a ragam, which is the 68th Melakarta. This is in Misra Jati Jampatalam Khandanade. Pallavi starts after 8 counts. Aridhi Karva is also 8 counts.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय.
So this is the ragam is also thematic because of enlightenment that the Guru provides in Jyoti Swarupini. So the Pallavis, we can explore endlessly various possibilities, various themes, various talams, various ragams, challenge ourselves in different aspects of music. Just the structure is only one part of the Pallavi. This demonstration I've restricted only to that part. But the actual core of the Pallavi is in the Manodharmam side, where you have to do the ragam beautifully, and then development of ragam in different sequences, then tanam. Singing, a part of singing of tanam itself is a separate topic. Then you have Neraval for Pallavis, which is another beautiful facet. And then the multi-speeds and the perfection and multi-speeds. And of course, the very popular Ragamalika, which I said you can do in multivarious themes. Overall, I would like to say that I touched upon a few aspects, and I really thank once again Gayatri Fine Arts, not for just giving me this opportunity to present something, but more because the series is Guru Vandanam. And I do my pranams to all the exponents of Pallavi, and also salute all my gurus who have inspired me, every artist who has taken Carnatic music forward in the thinking of Pallavis and various concepts. And sincere thanks once again to Chitravina Ganesh and Vidya Venkatesh for putting up this lovely event, Guru Vandanam. And thanks for watching. Namaste. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.